Hello and welcome to my channel Astronetram. My name is Ullas Patole and I am an astrologer by profession, and I have been helping people all over the world with astrology and different branches of astrology like Vastu, numerology, tarot cards and palmistry. In my series of how to make money out of astrology, I am making this video on palmistry. Why palmistry? To make money. Why you should learn palmistry to make money? This is my topic today. Now, as I must tell you that palmistry has been one of the most popular branches of astrology, and from ages, people have been very much curious about knowing what are the traits of these lines on their hands. They want to know what these lines reveal, what these lines are trying to tell, what is going to happen in their life, what has happened in their life, everything they want to know. Even the non-believers in astrology also sometimes you may find that they are interested in knowing or very much curious in knowing what is going on in their life by just looking at their hand. And palmistry is one of the most easiest subjects to learn out of astrology. All you have to gain is the experience. Whenever you go to some function or something, you will find a person sitting in one corner holding somebody's hand and trying to tell him something. And slowly he will start gathering the people around him. When they come to know that he is a palmist or he knows something about the palmistry or he has some knowledge about the lines on the hands, they will just gather around him and are very much curious to know about themselves. So even during my astrological seminars, I have seen number of times that the table of a palmist would be always overcrowded. Because everybody wants to know what is there on the lines of their hand. But in my mind, palmistry is much more than just reading the lines on your hand. It is not only the lines, but it is the entire hand from your wrist till the fingertips. From the outlines of your hand, the fingers, the bones, the phalanxes, the thumb, everything is important. Even your nails, they will reveal something about your character, personality, health, your talents, your creativity. Everything is known by the study of your hand. So in my opinion, palmistry is nothing but the art of hand reading. And that is the reason during these times when people are losing their jobs, people are finding it very difficult to get the jobs, you can definitely learn palmistry as an opportunity to make a career, because during these hard times also thousands of people are still the believers in astrology and astrology related sciences. So by learning palmistry, definitely if you are in a position to guide them about their personality, about their career path, about the events that have happened in their life or they are going to happen in their life, and if you guide them properly, if you suggest them some remedies, they will definitely want to know this. And when you start telling them about different aspects of their personality, their career path, their directions, talents, creativity and everything, definitely they are going to pay you for that. Because when you tell them that it is your profession and you are giving them the right kind of guidance, they are prepared to pay you for that. And that is what a person like me is doing. That I've been in this field for last so many years, and definitely I keep getting money for my consultancy as well as for the remedies that I suggest to them for their problems. So palmistry can be a very good career if you think seriously about it. All you have to do is to study the palmistry. Now, how you will study? There are thousands of books are there in the market. There are thousands of blogs are there. Thousands of videos are there. But I have also developed a training program on palmistry, and which gives you the entire knowledge of the art of reading hand. So I have covered the area right from the wrist till the fingertips and the lines to give you the mastery in the field of palmistry. It's a program of around 20 videos. All you have to do is to just register to this program, and I will start sending you the videos and keep connected with you with WhatsApp, email, or Facebook, or the phone calls. And by the end of this 20 videos, I'm sure that you would have sufficient knowledge of palmistry. You will be able to analyze the hands of people. You will be able to guide them properly. This is the basic program I'm talking about. Subsequently, you will learn advanced, but more advanced knowledge is gained by experience. The more you start looking at the hands of people, the more experience you will gain, and the more knowledge will give you more money. So this is a small attempt in telling you that you can make palmistry or any branch of astrology as a profession, because palmistry definitely reveals number of things in one's life. You can on the basis of just looking at the hand, the entire hand, there are different parts of the hand, like the skin of the palm, the fingers, the fingertips, the nails, thumb. Everything will give you some idea about the personality and the talents and different careers of that person. If you are able to guide them properly, definitely you will start making money. Please go to the description part of this video. I have given you my numbers over there. You can always contact me to talk to me about the palmistry and palmistry related program. The moment you register, within 3 days you will start getting my videos, and every video is will give you detailed information about palmistry. And I'm sure by the end of the 20-day program, 20 videos program, you should be in a position to analyze the hand of a person. So thanks for watching this video. I request you to subscribe to my channel, which is free. Subscription is free, but subscription will help you in getting my videos in future. You will get the notifications, you will get my videos, and I am going to make very interesting and informative videos on astrology and palmistry and more subjects on astrology, which you will be getting at the regular intervals. So please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video.